So what we're doing is we had an existing tank emplacement range that was built back in 2008. What we're doing is we're repurposing the range. We removed the tank emplacements and we're building a support by fire and maneuver range. Our Marines are effective in their jobs and what they do. And instead of having to load them up and move them all the way across country to 29 Palms, we got something right here on Camp Lejeune at home. So the overall value of this project is substantial across the division, not only the division, but the Marine Corps readiness as a whole coming from Camp Lejeune.